Hey, it's Ned. Welcome to Tag Tutors, where I will be showing you step-by-step guide on how to ace a compare GCSE question. This applies for all specifications, AQA, Edexcel, OCR. It doesn't matter. Get a pen, a paper, and listen. Mitosis and meiosis are processes that produce new cells. Compare the outcomes of mitosis and meiosis. Step 1. How many marks is the question worth? Question is what? 3 marks. That means I need 1, 2, and 3 points that are worth 1 mark each. Step 2. The command word. What does compare mean? This requires me to state similarities and differences. Okay, not just one of them. I need to write both of them. Similarities and differences. What similarity and difference do I know about mitosis and meiosis? Point 1. I know that mitosis produces 2 daughter cells and meiosis, so this is still 1 point. Okay, so the similarities is still 1 point, even if I'm writing for both of them. I need to write for both of them. And meiosis produces 4 daughter cells. So for this point, I have 1 mark. Not 2 marks. I have only 1 mark for that point. My next mark would be, what other similarity and difference do I know about mitosis and meiosis? I can remember that mitosis produces a diploid cell, diploid cells, and meiosis produces a haploid cell. This gets me my second mark. I need 1 more point to get the entire 3 marks. So my third point, I can remember that mitosis produces identical cells and meiosis produces non-identical cells. Now I have gotten the entire 3 marks. If you have found this video useful, please like and leave a comment. Subscribe and share with your friends. The aim of the video is to help you. Until next time.